Hi guys, welcome to our first Vlogmas for dinner today. We are making pizza at home. So we went to Publix and we got some store-made pizza crust. We got some cheese, we got some sauce, and we got some pepperonis because Mama wants pepperonis. We're about to make pizza and put them in the oven. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Royalty Random. We're doing our first Vlogmas. You get to see us go to the Science Museum today. But here is what our pizza dough looks like. I made some the last time. You can see the difference between this and that. This one's a week old. If you look like that, you might not want to use it. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. But here's this fresh pizza dough. So I think we're gonna cut it. I don't know. I haven't. This is my first time.
She said this is instruction for me.
This is my first time. So this is the dough. I think it's one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this so she can have her and I can have mine. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it on the board.
It looks like somebody.
Then get the pizza crust. Get the pizza cutter. So
It's dirt.
get a knife. You know, sometimes you just don't have stuff. You have to improvise. 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 So that's what we're doing here. We're going to improvise.
It looks like extra skin.
Ew. So we're cutting the dough. You can't see. Let me zoom you down a little bit. There you go. Cutting the dough. Go give her crust. She has to wonderfully make that back into a circle. And here is mine. Switch over this one. Here's mine.
Don't you gotta roll it into
I think I'm gonna make mine into a rectangle. You know, when we went to school, we used to have a square pizza, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh Lord, what did you do?
I thought you were supposed to roll it into a ball.
If you want to, that's the long way. So I'm just gonna stretch mine out on the pan.
I'm about to stretch.
I think this is gonna be a thin crust, so this is going to be a thin crust for me. We are trying new things. This is our first time trying homemade pizza, I think. We've never done this before. So
This is gonna take me a minute.
So trying to shape it perfectly into a square. Oh Lord.
I'm getting
I
somewhere.
think that this is it. Now we have to wait on Deanna before we go to our next step. And don't scratch your face.
I was about to, but
I just scratched my face, but
I'm scared to.
we're gonna have a thin crust pizza tonight. Okay, I think I'm ready. Do you supposed to poke holes in the crust? I want a crispy crust. The directions do not tell you. It says remove place dough, non-stick pizza pan, apply sauce, bake until crust is golden brown, bake for 18 to 25 minutes. Let stand 5 minutes before cutting. Those are the directions. Those are the directions.
I gotta let it stretch out. Like you know
I
how
better go ahead.
piece of dough.
Come on, because we're waiting on you. They're waiting on you.
I'm trying to
We're
get it.
waiting on her.
We don't got no rolling pin.
That's okay. It's stretchy enough. We don't have to beat it. See, this dough is a little bit firmer. This is my first time making Nigerian pie. You should go look at the video. It's really good. It smells good. I mean, it got butter in it. That was I'm a little skeptical about eating stuff a week later.
My nose is
If you still have Thanksgiving food in your refrigerator and you're trying to eat off of it, you're gonna die. So just throw it in the trash. Just put all of it in the trash. It's no good anymore. Are you done? You still stretching?
Is this good?
You want a personal pan pizza?
I'm trying to make it bigger.
Well, you just pull it.
Like that? I thought it was gonna rip if I put
Oh, well, it might rip. But it's okay. You just poke it back together. It's like Play-Doh.
This is my pizza.
Alright, so that's how you want your pizza to look. She has an all blanc, all blanc.
I don't know what this is.
So that's hers and this is mine. You see. Now, you simply put sauce. You got a little ragu. I'm not a big sauce person, so I'm gonna do thin, little sauce, a little bit of sauce. See?
That is a little bit of sauce.
Maybe a little bit more. We're just so rugged over here. And then I'm gonna spread it around and bring it in closer. But not too close because I can't really put the stuff on there like that. Spread it around. I do not know how this is gonna come out looking because this is my first time making this, okay? So for people who want to be a pizza perfectionist, I am not a pizza perfectionist, and if you happen to work for any of the pizza restaurant chains and this video offends you, I apologize in advance. But oh my God, try not to get my tablecloth messed up, yeah.
Too late for that.
Yeah, I figured. So here's my sauce. You need a spoon.
Yeah.
Put. What the, we got? Oh, that's my child laughing upstairs.
So
So that's my little bit of pizza sauce on there. Then we are going to, oh my God, open the pack up.
Here, baby, what I put?
Put it on top of the thing. There you go. So take, that is the honest pizza. We'll now be sprinkling on a very generous amount of cheese because I happen to like cheese a lot of cheese.
It ain't gonna slide down easily if it ain't cheese.
Right. That's one of my favorite YouTubers. So we're gonna put on cheese, okay? This cheese. Was you supposed to put the pepperonis on first? I don't know.
No.
Okay.
That's how people in New York make their pizza.
And then we will add pepperonis. Ooh, I like this shaped pizza though. Can I put the bag in front of my face?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Then we take our pepperonis.
This is my pizza.
Everything is better with sound effects. So then we put our pepperonis on here. I'm going to do half because sometimes when you get a certain age, the grease irritates your stomach. So we have to be wise of these things. You want the pepperonis, Bill?
Can I put one pepperoni in the middle?
Not one.
Yeah, I want
So I'm going to give myself here a half and half pizza today. This is my pizza.
This is my pizza.
And this is the honest pizza. Put them side by side, please. Homemade pizza day. See, you have to find things to keep kids busy. But we had to eat dinner anyway, right? So, you know, you teaching them how to survive out here in these streets. I put a little bit more cheese on there.
Got coconut oil in my eye.
You have coconut oil in your eye.
Yes.
How you coconut oil in your eye?
I don't know.
So we went to the Science Museum today. We had a lot of fun. Better tell the people what was your favorite activity at the Science Museum.
My favorite was the light, when we got to change the lights, and where I got to get on the human Ferris wheel, or whatever that thing is.
Yeah, she became a human rat. It was very interesting. Take your kids to the Science Museum of Virginia if you are in Richmond. I think they put out some more holiday stuff later on this year, but we are going to make our pizzas now. We will post a picture of our pizza. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are halfway there, y'all. When I started my YouTube channel, well, this year, at the beginning of January, I think I had like 136 subscribers. We are halfway to 1,000. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And remember, we are doing Vlogmas all December. So you get to see me and Deanna doing wonderfully interesting holiday festive things. I like DIY projects. The board behind me is a DIY that I did. I ordered my backdrop off of Amazon, and then I added the extra touches. I'm not done. Our goal for Vlogmas is to turn my house into Candyland. Yes, Candyland. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video. Bye.